Okay, let's take a look at what Teams assignments look like in Canvas. Thank you, Ashley, for adding me as a student to your class. Let's go ahead and take a look at a presentation practice assignment. Now, this is where Flip, those of you familiar with Flipgrid, became Flip, and of course for years we've been using Flip, and then this summer it went away. Well, it actually got built into Teams, and so that Flip camera video recorder can be used. Now what happens is inside of Canvas, it asks me to open up Teams, so I'm going to click on this link, and I'll be taken right to a class. Now remember, Teams is in the cloud, so it's up in Office 365, and students have access to it. Now a teacher can give assignments, and what we have right here is an assignment where I'm supposed to do a presentation about how my college life is, and I'll describe my college classes and whatnot. Now, I don't think the content of this presentation is as important as showing you how this works, but I want to first of all show you that there are different things here, and one is the speaker progress button. I can click on that, right? But I can also click on this plus button. And when I click on the plus button, that's where I find that Flip video recording. Now, since this is a specific presentation and I'm being graded on my presentation and the AI is going to give me feedback on my presentation, I'm going to click here. And it's going to give me the instructions to explain how this whole thing kind of works. Right? And so I can record a speech for my teacher while talking. I can get instant tips on what I'm doing, like my pitch and my eye contact and different kinds of things. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to click stop here. I'm going to go ahead and click on this right here, and I'm going to say that I'm ready. I have 10 minutes to speak, and I'm supposed to speak about my college life. And so I'll go ahead and do that. Now I'm purposely going to, hello, my name is... I'm James, and I'm, now, of course, I wouldn't naturally talk like that. I'd look into the camera, and I'd have a better tone, a better pace. I'd talk differently about different things. But I wanted to record both styles to see what the report actually does. So I'm looking into the camera, I'm making my presentation, I would talk, and then once I'm done, I would say stop, and I would be able to see what my recording looks like. Now, I only made 38 seconds, but I can play it. Hello. Now, it'll be interesting to see if the AI feedback gives me feedback on all that pausing and that kind of stuff, right? So I'm going to go ahead and use this recording. And then now that I'm done with the recording, I'm going to click where it says turn it in. And now my assignment has been turned in. Okay, so now I'm back in Canvas, and I want to show you what it looks like after the teacher grades it. Ashley has graded my work, and so I can go into my grades, and I can see that I have grades for my assignments, and I also have comments. So my teacher, when Ashley made a comment inside of Microsoft Teams, that comes back into Canvas like that, and I can see it immediately in my grade book. I can also go into the actual assignment and look at the assignment and go back into Teams to get more information. You may remember that the AI gave me feedback. It made that sheet for me. And while I didn't click on it while I was recording this, I can go back into this to see how did I do. I have my video. I have my feedback. I can see that I used the word like 6 times, and that's telling me about it. It gives me my word speed. It's telling me what words I had trouble with and what words I need to work on my pronunciation. It said I did a good job on my pitch. And so the AI was listening to my speech and helped giving me feedback, and the teacher was able to get a video submission of me in an easy way that works in Canvas and goes directly to the Canvas gradebook. So if you're looking for a speech tool for your students, you might want to try Teams.